Hello everyone. So in this video, we will find the exact value of this trig expression. Now this expression is made up of three terms. So the first term is cos of 60 degrees plus sine of 45 degrees times tan 60 degrees. And then the third term is cosecant of 90 degrees. So we'll start by evaluating each of these terms. So 60 degrees we know is a special angle. So we can use a special triangle to evaluate cos of 60 degrees. So I can show it to you on the board. So the 60-degree special triangle will look something like this. So this corner angle is 60 degrees and the sides can be labeled as, so this is 1, this is 2 and this is square root of 3. Now the formula for cosine is, as per the SOHCAHTOA, it's adjacent over hypotenuse. We can find out what the adjacent and hypotenuse side lengths are. So for the 60-degree angle, the adjacent side is 1 and the hypotenuse is 2. So cos of 60 degrees is equal to 1 over 2. So we'll replace cos of 60 with 1 over 2. Now the next term is sine of 45 degrees. So for this, we'll have to use the special triangle for 45 degrees. So I'll draw it on the board. So this is a right angle triangle and both the acute angles are 45 degrees and the side lengths are square root of 2, square root of 2 and 2. Now the formula for sine ratio is opposite over hypotenuse. So sine of 45 degrees will be equal to square root of 2, that's the opposite side length, so it's this one, and the hypotenuse is 2 units long. So we can put this in parentheses, so square root of 2 over 2. Now sine of 45 is being multiplied to tan of 60 degrees, and for that we can use the other special triangle. So I already have that on the board, and for tan the formula is opposite over adjacent, and in this case the opposite side length for 60 degrees is square root of 3 and the adjacent side length is 1, which can be reduced to just square root of 3. So it becomes times square root of 3 plus, now cosecant is a reciprocal ratio. So the first step is to convert cosecant to its corresponding primary ratio, which is sine. So we can rewrite this as 1 over sine of 90 degrees. So the first term is just 1 over 2. There is nothing we can do with it. So it stays as 1 over 2 and then plus. Now in the second term, square root of 2 over 2 times square root of 3. Now the denominator of square root of 3 is 1. So when we multiply fractions, we multiply the numerator numbers and we multiply the denominator numbers. So in the numerator we get square root of 6 because 2 times 3 is 6 over 2 because 2 times 1 is 2, and now plus. Now we can evaluate this third term. So we know sine of 90 degrees is equal to 1. So we get 1 over 1. Now we have to combine these three fractions. So for that we should find a common denominator. Now the first two fractions already have the common denominator 2. So we have to convert the denominator of this third fraction to 2. So for that we'll multiply the numerator and the denominator by 2. So we get 1 over 2 plus square root of 6 over 2 plus 2 over 2. And now we can add these three fractions. So we can add the numerator numbers. So 1 plus square root of 6 plus 2 over 2. And now we can see that there are like terms in the numerator. So we can combine 1 and 2. And the final answer should be square root of 6 plus 3 over 2. This expression cannot be simplified, so we can just leave it like this. So this should be the final answer for the exact value of this given trig expression. So I hope you'll find this video useful. Please share it, like it, and subscribe to Homework Help. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye.